Big 14, what the fuck going on? Hey, hold up, take a moment, count my guap, all these racks bumming in.
So look how far this is, bro. Look how far, like, there's a nice houses over there. Look at that. If I drop my camera, game over. My life is done. Hold up, but let's check out. What are they doing, bro? You still, I don't know what they're doing. Dude, he's working his best, bro. Look at that. Ooh, what kind of car is that? McLaren? That's a McLaren. Why is my hand so unsteady, bro? And it's cold too. I don't know if you guys can tell it's raining, bro. Yeah, my mom said like she saw like a lot of car crashes over there, especially in that turn since it's all wet. This crazy thing happened. Like he was skirting, bro. He was like, bro, I need to upload this video. Let me just get in a car crash to make a banger and make a trash. That's crazy. I think that's the guy right there. He's everything's face. I believe him who crashes on the glass. You think that's a good thumbnail? Or that, or this? Get in that car. Shame, bro. You're in shame. Get in there. Exactly. Oh, just see how they load it. Okay, I got some. Okay, not the flex or anything. Oh my god. Something in there. That's crazy. Oh. Dude, my hands are freezing. I don't know. There's a highway over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you see that over there? But I love this camera. Look how it's focused. Dude, it's so cool. I can't. This is way warm. I really just stepped in the food warm. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. How are we up here? I can film it from here. You think that's better? Oh no, mama. Oh, nice shoes. Thanks, sir. Alright, oh, look, the back end now, the back end. Focus. I need you to focus, bro. Okay, he came on, he's like, oh my god, I fucked up. I think I just sketched it again. Bro, yeah, you did. Oh, you dumb boy hoe. I don't know which thumbnail's better. I'm gonna see which one gets me a little more views. That's crazy, bro. Bro, can you back up, bro? Oh my, that's so cool. I can't. I'll make it sick. I live right there, bro. It's like I don't live there. I live that house right there. That's crazy. I don't live there. I wish I did. But my hands are like freezing to the death. See if I can get some art shots right there. That's crazy. That's how you guys get to imagine. Dude, my hands, bro. Back up the car, right? I could go in there, bro. He's like, I'm about to lose my job cause I crashed my McLaren. Bro, back the car up. They probably see me, they're like, oh my god, this kid's vlogging us. Yeah, dude. We go down here because it's, oh my, dude, it's weird. It's like, it comes warm really wet. Oh my god, it's like a, it's so, okay, stop right video. Oh, so good. Go back up here. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh no, there. Hey, what are they doing? I don't know, guys. That's all you get to see. You guys are not gonna see the rest of the whole thing. This place is so rich. Look at this. Focus, bro. Focus, bro. Hurry up. Oh. Number 2, second floor. Open up. Oh wow, what's in there? Nothing but a hotel. Oh my god. But don't close. I'm sorry. Oh, it's so warm in here. I'm about to dip. I'm sorry. Sorry for wasting your time. Oh, they're doing it. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I never had steady hands to begin with. I always had shaky hands. Well, I feel like they're looking at me. I feel like they're gonna call and be like, bro, sir, you can't post on them. But like, bro, you wasted my time. So Isn't that? And that's how you make artsy shots, guys. Artsy shots. That's how you zoom into unfocused people. It's so cold, bro. Bro, just turn on the car and just dip, bro. The things wrong for the car part. That's crazy. How long do you think they're gonna tell you? That's actually a pretty nice car over there. That Nissan over there. How does it focus all the way over there when I'm all the way over here? You guys like these fans? Yeah, anything? Bro, just turn on the car and just back up to that view where you heard. Well, they're doing it. I don't know what I'm doing. They're backing up. Oh my god. Thumbnail. Thanks. Hold on. No, focus. Thumbnail right there. Oh my god, they're actually doing it. Whoa, chill, bro. You not see that challenger right there getting stuck, bro? Well, that's crazy. I feel like I'm right in front of it, but I'm really not. Whose car is trying to flex out here, bro? Shout out to that company for saving a man's life. But I think this is where it ends right here because my hands are freezing. Hands are like legit freezing, bro. I'm gonna hide out here because I think they're gonna try to scrape me hurt. I'm stopping with this. Sorry.
Behind it, and a few pockets of low pressure, and a fairly heavy band of rain showers and snow all the way from the eastern portions of Montana down to western